Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know this video is kind of blurry currently. This is AK Manu also known as destatelord, and today we are in the beautiful city of Enugu, and I'm going to be touring Enugu this Christmas. I'm going to be showing you how Enugu is looking this Christmas. So if you're from Enugu or you've been in Enugu before and you're currently not here, you're traveling for Christmas, or you're currently in diaspora but you want to know how Enugu looks like this December, I got you covered, because today I'm going to be touring. I'm going to be showing you the recent development and how Enugu is vibing this Christmas. It's going to be a beautiful one. Stick to this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's go. So guys, we're just moving out of ShopRite right now, and this is the Celebrities Road. I don't know if you caught that place they're selling suya. This is Celebrities, directly opposite to the ShopRite. So
about to approach the famous OGUI junction, and you're going to see what the governor did with this roundabout, the design, the Christmas design. Like even though you're not told and you come to Enugu, you know that this is the Christmas season. Look at what they did and the design. Yeah, so we're going to be taking a right because we are en routing to Unity Park. The OTIGBA junction has to be the most decorated junction in the whole of Enugu State. I mean, this roundabout, the governor did a very beautiful job. The designer was very well detailed. Everything. The tomorrow is here, the Christmas lights, and the little designs. Everything just made this junction the talk of the town. Look at how my city road is looking very nice. Omo, I just thank God for Peter Mba. Peter Mba is actually the best thing that happened to Enugu. Like in the space of 18 months, look at how he has been able to transform the Enugu metropolis. Look at how all the roads are looking very well. And the beautiful thing about this governor is that he doesn't do patching, because this governor is an entrepreneur. He knows the cost of these things. He doesn't patch road. Rather, he used that money to pour an extra slab of quota, which is actually more cost effective in the long run. I actually hail this man like for being very intentional about the development and the well-being of Enugu State. So this is the fountain junction. Look at how this fountain is looking. Very superb. Very amazing. Enugu State amalama. Thank God to good government. If you've not invested in Enugu yet, you're actually on a very long thing. Just me. And here is the Lion Building, the government house, the Enugu State government house, just by your left. Look at how everywhere is looking very nice, very secured. One thing about the Enugu town is, apart from its beauty, apart from its aesthetics, it's also very secure. Trust me, like there are almost security in every hook and crannies of the Enugu State, and also with the introduction of the DRS, like just a call away, and there are CCTV cameras installed in every junction, every roundabout. If you've not invested yet in Enugu, when I say investment, I mean being strategically positioned. Just know that you are very in a very long thing, because Enugu State is the next big thing of Nigeria. Enugu State in the coming years will be competing with the likes of Lagos and Abuja. You just need to mark my words. And with this governor, it's going to come faster than we all expect. You might also be wondering, why are cars packed out? Like, look at a whole lot of cars. Look at how the whole city is bustling. When you know, today is actually the Enugu State Road vlog that's going to be featuring a lot of top artists, even around town, Jerry, and so on and so forth. So Enugu State is also attracting entertainment, the entertainment industry, and also with the International Conference Center, more and more is set to happen. Enugu is ripe for investment. This brings us to the end of this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel, like, and leave a comment. Till we meet next time, I am the Estate Lord.